Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is way to play and win. This pawn is going forward in this direction. Yes, it's defended by the knight, but you got to keep in mind that a minor piece alone can't deliver a checkmate. So if black trades the rook and the knight for the pawn, it would be just game over and we can't win. So with all of this in mind, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here, if you play e7, try to promote your pawn, black will just capture that, and you don't have a follow-up, right? This is not going to make you the winner. It's going to be just a draw, right? Black would end up with a rook and you'd have two minor pieces, but this is not enough to win the game. Black has a rook, so that is obviously not the correct move. So the other thing you may probably try is to play bishop to c7 check. So this is called attraction sacrifice. So what you are doing here basically is you are just luring the king and you are going to just push the pawn on the next move. But this move doesn't work as well because now you can't actually win this, because after you push here, black would just play rook to e6. Yes, it's going to be a sacrifice, but you can't defend the pawn, right? So sadly, black would just capture that, and as I told you previously, with a minor piece alone, you can't win. So that is the other variation, or the other try you may just probably play. So it's look like the knight is defending that, and we have to keep somehow the pawn alive. And the first move is to play bishop to c5 check. So what does this move do? Well, it prevents the king from going any closer, right? This is taken, and the king can't play to e7. Obviously the bishop is directly attacking there, and because of all of this and the knight, the king can't play that way, and the only possible moves are these three moves. So if the king captures the bishop, we push, and notice this trick don't work for now because the pawn is just a little bit further and black can't do anything about it, right? So that is what it is. The other thing black may probably try is to play any other move, like this move to c6 or c7, but we are going to play the same sequence, right? So here black can't stop us, and if black decided this, the pawn is simply defended, right? So the pawn is simply defended, and eventually we are going to move and win the game. So that is what we are going to do, and after this move, after the first move, actually it's going to be very easy and automatic. So this is the solution of the puzzle. So if you found this easy puzzle, congratulations. Let me know in the comment. I want to know how many of you guys can solve these kinds of puzzle. I will upload similar cheese puzzle videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe in order to see them. I will see you in the next video. Bye.